Okay, we have that root 2 over root 6 plus root 2 is written in the form a plus b root 3. What is the value of a? In order to find the value of a, we need to simplify this expression. As you can see, we have radicals in the denominator. These radicals are root 6 and root 2, which means this expression is not in its simplest form. So, to simplify this expression, we are going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. So how do we do that? We are going to write that root 2 over root 6 plus root 2 is equal to root 2 over root 6 plus root 2 times root 6 minus root 2. Root 6 minus root 2 is a conjugate of the denominator divided by root 6 minus root 2. And this will be equal to root 2 times root 6 minus root 2 divided by root 6 plus root 2 times root 6 minus root 2. Okay, we simplify further. So this is equal to root 2 times root 6 is the same as root 2 times 6. Root 2 times root 2 the same as root 2 times 2. All of these will be divided by the value that we will get here. Now observe that the denominator is the difference of, can be expressed as difference of two squares. Remember that a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b times a plus b. So this denominator will simply be equal to root 6 times root 6, which is 6, minus root 2 times root 2, which is 2. And so this is equal to the square root of 12 minus the square root of 4 divided by 6 minus 2, which is 4. And this is equal to, we're going to write the square root of 12 as the prime factors of 12. So we're going to write as 2 times 2 times 3 minus the square root of 4, which is 2, divided by 4. And so this is equal to the square root of 2 times 2, which is 4, or 2 squared. So that will be equal to 2 root 3 minus 2 over 4. And this is equal to, we'll factor out 2. So we'll have 2 into root 3 minus 2, minus 1, sorry, divided by 4. I'll continue this way. So this will be equal to, let me draw a line here. So this will be equal to, these 2 will cancel this 2 times, 1 over 2 times root 3 minus 1, which we can write as root 3 over 2 minus half, which I'll rewrite as minus half plus half times root 3. I just want it to be in this form. So from here, if we compare this expression, you see that this expression is in the form of this one. Therefore, A is equal to half. Thank you.